Here we got a dragon scale to 8.5 centimeters. I'm going to print it for the kids to play with. I'm going to print the PLA metal. The quality I leave it at 0.2, layer height, strength. I'm going to put 6 wall loops. Infill density to 60% to make it strong, and gyroid pattern works really well with this type of structure. Speed, just keep the normal speed for PLA. Enable supports. Here we are, we got ready for print, so you can see the gyroid pattern in there. So it's pretty strong. I already printed these, and yeah, it's been lasting a bit with the kids playing with it. And then you just press print plate to plate, and ready to print.